Hi friends, it's Miss Holly. Did you know that this week is Earth Day? And Earth Day is when we talk about all the different ways that we can keep our Earth healthy and clean. Do you guys remember what Earth is? Earth is the planet we live on, right? So it's super important that we help it stay clean and healthy, just like we need to keep our own bodies clean and healthy. So I thought today we could go on a scavenger hunt together in the woods so we could celebrate Earth Day together. Sound good? Let's go. Here is our nature scavenger hunt list. We've got a tree, rocks, bird, bugs, a stick, water, leaf, wildflowers, pine cone, and a mushroom. Let's go see what we can find. All right, friends, we're ready to get started. We're on the trail. Got our list. Let's see what we can find. Oh my goodness, friends. They're all around us. The first thing on our list. Trees. Help me check it off. Check. Ooh, friends. I think I hear something else that might be on our list. Let's go check it out. Hear that? Do you hear water? We found a stream. Let's check it off our list. We found some water. Help me check it off. Check. And what else is all around us? So many rocks. Let's check that off too. Check. Great. Let's keep going. Sometimes it's fun to wear waterproof boots so that you can walk through the creeks. Wanna see? Water bounces right off Miss Holly's shoe. So cool. Oh, friends, look what I spotted. Some wildflowers. They're kind of funny looking, aren't they? These are Dutchman's britches, and they're called that because they look like little pants. Isn't that silly? Do you think they look like pants? Well, let's check wildflowers off of our list. Help me check. Ready? Check. Only a few more things to go. Let's keep going. Ranger's making sure everybody's safe in the forest. Thanks, Ranger. Ooh, let's cross the bridge. I hope there's not a troll under here. I think it looks safe. Let's check the other side. I think we're good. Bye, bridge. I think I found something on our list, friends. Look at this. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Oh. Now that is one big stick. Let's put it back. Bye, big stick. Well, let's cross stick off our list. Help me check it. Check. Let's see how many things we have left to find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep going. Look, friends, it's a pine tree. And do you know what usually grows on pine trees? Pine cones. And that's something on our list. Let's see if we can find one. Can you help me? Let's check the ground. Do you see one, friends? Where? There's one. Wow. Thanks for helping me. Well, that's another thing to check off our list. Pine cone. Help me check it off. Check. That means we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 more things to find. Let's keep going. You know what I just realized is all around us, friends? It's all over the forest floor. Let's take a closer look. What are these? Leaves! Let's go ahead and check that off of our list. Help me out. Check. We only have a few more things to go. 1, 2, 3. Let's keep going. Look what I just found. Shh, tiptoe so we don't scare them. They're wild turkeys. They're so big. Hi, turkeys. How many are there? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2. Wow. Check it out, friends. More turkey. Whew. This is a special place where you can come to watch birds. Let's check the bird feeder. There's one. Can you see him? Did you hear that? That was the red-winged blackbird. Doesn't he have a pretty sound? Look, guys, it's a woodpecker. Well, I guess we can check birds off our list. Ready? Check. That means we only have 2 things left to find. Let's keep going. bet there's some turtles out there somewhere. Oh, hey, Mr. Red-winged blackbird. He usually likes to hang out around water. Look, friends, it's a deer. Tiptoe so we don't scare her. Shh. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Hi, dear. Look, friends, more flowers. There were white ones, purple and blue. There's some yellow ones over there. We just look, don't pick them. Look, friends, I see a thing on our list. Can you see it? Let's take a closer look. Mushrooms. Two mushrooms. Mushrooms come in all sorts of colors and sizes. Pretty cool. All right, let's check off mushroom. Check. We only have one more thing left, friends. We need to find a bug. Where are you, bugs? Let's go look for them. Where do you think we can find some bugs, friends? Let's check underneath this log. Can you see anything? There's some bugs. Ooh, little creepy crawlies. Hi, bugs. We found everything on our list, friends. Let's check off bugs. And check. Let's count how many things we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, we did it! We found everything on our nature scavenger hunt. Thank you so much, friends. Well, it's time to go. Bye, Forest. All right, friends, thank you so much for helping me with our nature scavenger hunt. You did a great job helping me find all those things in nature. It can be pretty fun to go walking through the woods and see all the living things around us. Now, we want to make sure we keep these parks nice and clean and healthy so that they keep growing all these cool things and so that all the animals stay happy and healthy too. So, for Earth Day, there's some things that you could do at home to help. You could plant a garden, you could plant some flowers, you could plant some vegetables. All living things help us keep clean air on this earth. So plants are super, super, super important. You can help mom and dad set up a recycling spot if you don't already have one, so that items can be reused, like cardboard boxes, like your empty cereal boxes, or like your Pop-Tart boxes, or like your milk jugs. When they're all gone, you can recycle those. So that's a good option. You can give the air a break by turning off all your lights in your house and all your electronics, like your games and your iPads and TV, and go outside and play. The earth loves it when you're outside playing and exploring, and there's lots of fun things to go out there and see and do. So go outside and play. And another big thing you can do to help is pick up trash around your neighborhood. Because when you leave your trash on the floor outside, it makes it so like the plants can't grow, and sometimes the animals who live outside will eat your trash because they think it's food, and it'll make their tummies really sick, and it's no fun to have a sick tummy, right? So maybe you can help mom and dad clean up trash around your neighborhood. Just make sure you wear some gloves and wash your hands really, 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 really good when you come back in that house. And that's it. That's a few good things you could do to help celebrate Earth Day. Thank you so much again for helping me with my scavenger hunt. Get outside and play. Bye, friends.